Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to know more about the care of your clothes that you have purchased in the Zara store. So if you are not sure whether you can wash them in the washing machine or put them into the tumble dryer, all you have to do is watching this video, and I'm going to explain how you can find the section in which will enlighten you about the care of your clothes. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should select the type of clothing that you are interested in, either by typing it into the search bar, or you can also select it in the menu or from the menu option. So just simply tap on the picture of the particular product, then scroll down till you find the materials, care and origin section, and click on the plus icon. Now you can read about the materials that this piece of clothing contains, and then you can read about how you should care for your clothes at the care section. You can see that you should not wash it in the washing machine nor in the tumble dryer, and you should not use bleach either. So you can also get to know the origin of the clothes that you are interested in, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.